In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Slack. This is a really handy feature when you don't want important messages to get buried and forgotten in busy channels or long conversations. Let's start from inside Slack, either on the desktop app or in your browser. First, find the message you want to remember. This could be anything you need to follow up on later, a task someone assigned to you, a link you want to read, or a decision you need to revisit. Take a moment to scroll through the channel or direct message until you see that specific message on your screen. Now, move your mouse over that message. As you hover over it, you'll notice a small toolbar of icons appearing near the message. These icons usually include things like adding a reaction, starting a thread, or sharing the message. The one we're interested in is the option for more actions. Look for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More Actions or Overflow menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens a menu with several options related to that message, such as saving it, pinning it, or performing other integrations depending on your workspace. In this menu, find and select the option that says, "Remind me about this." Clicking that will open a smaller menu or pop-up with some time options. Typically, Slack gives you quick choices like reminding you in a few minutes, later today, tomorrow, or sometime next week. These presets are great if you just want a simple reminder without thinking too hard about the exact time. Choose the time that works best for you. For example, if it's a non-urgent task, you might pick tomorrow or next week. If it's something you want to handle before the end of your day, you might choose a later today option. Once you click your preferred time, Slack automatically sets a personal reminder tied directly to that message. When the time comes, Slackbot will send you a notification with that original message, so you can quickly jump back into the right context. This reminder is private to you, so no one else in the channel will see it. It's a simple workflow, but it can make a big difference in keeping track of commitments and to-dos without leaving Slack or copying text somewhere else. And that's all there is to it. Hover over the message, click the three dots, and select "Remind me about this" with the time that suits you.